Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing Anker. So, I am such a big fan of Anker. I review Anker here on my channel so many times. Today I am gonna review the Prime series. I have already reviewed this power bank, which is coming in a design of a wall charger and power bank 2-in-1. This is the most genius design I've ever seen in my entire life, and you told me the same thing. And I just wanted to mention that, hey, that's literally the most genius design and my most favorite power bank because of the unique design of wall charger and a power bank in one. Well guys, let's get started. I'm gonna show you a few products by Anker here today, and you're welcome to go check out my previous Anker chargers and stations review. I will leave you a direct link to these videos down below at the comments. Let's get started.
So guys, you all know that when you are working on the go or traveling often, well, having a reliable power isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So I've tested dozens of power banks, but this one really stands out. Today I am reviewing 4 Anker Prime devices, but the spotlight is on the Anker Prime 27,650 mAh power bank. It's one of the most capable and compact high output chargers I've ever tested. Let's start with what really matters. This power bank delivers 250 watt of total output with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A. One of those USB-C ports can push 140 watt, which means it can charge a 16 inches of MacBook Pro to 50% in just 28 minutes. That's faster than some wall bricks I've tested. And even with that much power, it's roughly the size of a soda can. At the 27.65 amp hours, you'll get about 1.28 charges for 13 inches MacBook Air, and it's TSA compliant at 99.54 watt hours, so you can fly with it in your carry-on. It also features a smart display for real-time output info and connects to the Anker app, where you can check status, locate the power bank with sound alerts, and use smart charging features to extend the battery life. Now, here is something I didn't expect. Recharging the power bank itself takes only 37 minutes, thanks to the dual USB-C input and Anker's GaN Prime technology, which stands for gallium nitride. I talk a lot about the GaN technology here on my channel, guys, so you should already know what it means. Well, so thanks to the GaN Prime technology, this Anker Prime power bank keeps all the things cooler and smaller than the traditional silicon chargers. So if you travel or work remotely, this is a must-have. It powers my laptop, my phone, and even my drone, all at the same time. No heat, no drop in performance. And now guys, you can pair this one with the optional of Anker 100 watt charging base, which is also can be used as a charging station. And with this charging base, you are getting even a smoother experience. Just place the power bank on the base, no cables needed, and it starts charging. It includes 3 USB ports plus a pogo pin connector. So it's about 4-in-1 charging hub. It's fast, compact, and just works right out of the box. Now guys, let's talk about the Anker Prime 240 watt 8-in-1 charging station. This one truly stole my heart. I absolutely a huge fan of that one. Well, this is my new go-to for powering everything on my desk and on my nightstand. So at this charging station, you get 2 AC outlets, 4 USB-C ports, and 2 USB-A ports as well. All that in one pristine, aesthetically gorgeous, clean unit. Each USB-C port supports up to 140 watt, so charging something like MacBook Pro is fast. I got to 53% in about 30 minutes. There's also a smart display on the front and app support for managing usage, setting timers, and even scheduling charging sessions. Now for a fixed setup at home or in your office or at your nightstand, well, this thing is incredibly useful. So guys, here is the bottom line. The Anker Prime 27,650 mAh power bank is hands down the best power bank for laptops and high power devices. You get 250 watt output, fast charging, smart app control, lightning fast recharge times, and it's small enough to carry with you this anywhere all around the world. With the 100 watt charging base, it becomes even more convenient, and for home setups, the 240 watt charging station keeps everything neat and powered. So whether you are a content creator, business traveler, or just someone who lives off their gear, well, Anker Prime has pretty much nailed it with this lineup.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. All these Anker's products, they are perfect for traveling. They are definitely great companion to take them with you anywhere. They're lightweight, they're small size, and they're compact, so they can easily fit into any backpack, any suitcase, or even any purse of yours. So I traveled lately to Myrtle Beach, North Carolina, and I took these with me, and oh my God, they worked so very well for me. We rented an Airbnb, we had like a great time, and man, I'm telling you, they worked so well for me at the road trip, at the Airbnb where we stayed, and then at the evening when we went out, just, you know, to walk around, to look at the city, to look at the beach, to hang out at the beach. These were lifesavers. So guys, I will highly recommend you to check Anker out. They're best for traveling, best for everyday usage, and they are the best chargers brand in the world. Everyone knows that. So let's just admit it. Let's just admit it. You know what I'm saying? So guys, I'll leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, with all the links, with all the coupon codes, with all the discounts, with all the promotions, any possible way to save some money off yours. So you're welcome to go check them out. It's going to be super easy. Just check out the description box or the first comment at the comment section, and let me know what you think down below at the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.